Let me guess. You're here because your phone's barely hanging on and you've been dreaming about upgrading to the iPhone 16. But when you saw the price, you were like, nope, not today. Well, good news. Today, right here on Tech Lab HQ, I'm going to show you how to find the cheapest iPhone 16. And no, you won't have to sell your car, your pet, or your dignity to get it. So grab a snack, stay tuned, and let's save you some money. All right, first things first, online marketplaces. Now, if you're patient and don't mind doing a bit of hunting, you can find some serious bargains. Let's start with the basics. eBay. You can find brand new or gently used iPhones at great prices. The key? Look for trusted sellers, those with 98% plus positive feedback and preferably thousands of sales. Pro tip, check for unlocked iPhones. Those will work with multiple carriers, giving you flexibility. Amazon often has lightning deals and discounted iPhones through both new and refurbished sellers. Always look at the warranty offered by the seller. Amazon backs its certified refurbished product with solid protection, so it's pretty safe. Swapper. Now, if you're really looking for a no-frills, community-driven marketplace, Swapper is great. You can see the actual condition of the phone, and every listing is checked by the Swapper team, so fewer worries about scams. Plus, no sneaky fees. Quick question, would you rather buy a brand new phone or save some cash and go for a gently used one? Let me know in the comments. Next up, we've got carrier deals. This one's a classic trick, but can still be super effective, especially if you don't mind being locked into a contract for a while. Carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile often offer huge discounts or even free iPhones when you sign up for their plans. Now, here's the catch. Those free phones usually come with a multi-year contract. So you'll want to ask yourself, do you really want to be stuck with this carrier for the next 24 months? Or are you willing to switch for the deal? Also, make sure to check if you're getting hidden fees or price hikes after the first year. But if you're planning to stick with your carrier anyway, this could be an easy way to upgrade to the iPhone 16 without paying full price upfront. Bonus tip, look out for trade-in promotions where carriers give you extra credit when you trade in your old phone. This can knock hundreds off your new iPhone. Speaking of trade-ins, let's talk about Apple and Best Buy programs. If you've got an old phone lying around, maybe it's an iPhone 6, 7, or even older, you can swap it for a discount on the iPhone 16. Now here's how it works. Apple will give you store credit, which can be up to $800 for newer models, or around $100, $200 for older ones. Best Buy has a similar trade-in program, and sometimes they even run special trade-in events where the credit is bumped up. So even if you're holding onto your relic of a phone like this bad boy, it's worth checking. That extra credit can mean the difference between paying full price or scoring a steep discount. What phone are you currently using? Is it old enough to qualify for a trade-in? Tell me in the comments and let's see how much of a discount you can get. Now I know some people turn their noses up at refurbished phones, but let me tell you, refurbished is where it's at. You're essentially getting a new iPhone 16, but at a seriously discounted price. And guess what? It comes with a warranty. Here's where you can find good refurb deals. Apple's refurbished store. Apple offers a warranty on their refurbished iPhones, so it's pretty much like buying new. Best Buy and Amazon. Both offer refurbished iPhones, often with warranties or return windows. Refurbished phones are thoroughly tested to make sure they're in great working condition. You're getting the same top-notch iPhone experience, just without the shiny price tag. You could save up to 20 to 30% compared to a brand new iPhone 16. If you're looking to save but still want that iPhone 16, refurb is the way to go. Here's a pro tip most people don't think about. International shopping. Depending on where you live, iPhones are actually cheaper in countries like Japan, Hong Kong, or Dubai. Now, I'm not saying buy a plane ticket just for the phone, unless you're a super fan. But if you're planning a trip, it's worth checking out. Here's how you do it. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked so it works with your carrier back home. Double check the local prices before you go to see if the savings are worth it. Keep in mind any import taxes or customs fees when bringing the phone back to your country. Who knew buying an iPhone could also turn into a vacation hack? Last but not least, don't forget about holiday sales like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Prime Day. This is when retailers go wild with discounts. If you time it right, you could snag that iPhone 16 for a fraction of the cost. So there you have it, folks. Your guide to finding the cheapest iPhone 16. Whether it's shopping online, trading in your old phone, or even going international, there's no shortage of ways to save. Now tell me, which hack are you going to try first? If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another money-saving tip from Tech Lab HQ. Until next time, keep hunting those deals.